Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. Here's the table, and you will have the D major composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then the B minor composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Next, the E minor composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. And finally, the A major, which you can also play here. So A major composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A, or here. And here's how you're gonna play those chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this for each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play this chart once for the introduction, and then you'll be able to move on to the chorus with the same chord order. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. And you play this chart once again to complete the chorus. Next, you will have an interlude that you could play with the same chord order, but you could also play it with a melody. So here's the new chart, and you're gonna play the bass on every beat like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same way for the other ones. And with the right hand, you will alternate between the chord and those notes. Slowly, it would give you this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now with the original speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, you will have the second verse to be played with the first chart. Let me display it for you again, and let's resume. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. And then you replay. Happy Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kissed me now, I know you'd fool me again. Then you'll reach the chorus again that you will be playing with the same chart played twice, then second interlude to be played either with the same chart or with the melody. Then you will have the last verse and then last chorus both to be played with the same chart that you'll be playing in a loop until the end of the song. I wish you good luck for this one, and I will see you in the next one.